Today I wanted to show you a very quick video on how you can use SugarConnect within your system. So here you can see that I am currently sat on an email in my Outlook. On the right hand side I have our SugarConnect panel and I have a test email that I've sent to myself for the purposes of this demo. So as you can see here on the right hand side, the email address isn't visible within our CRM, so the contact doesn't exist. So first of all, I wanted to show you how easy it is to create a contact that you receive an email from that doesn't exist in your CRM. So I am first going to select add as a sugar contact. I'm going to add it to our own internal Provident account. You can see that it's pre-populated certain fields that it's been able to. So my name, my email address. I'm going to say I work at Provident CRM. It's going to ask me if I want to pre-populate all of my address details, which I'm going to say yes. And then I am going to check OK. That's it. My contact is now created within the system. Here you can see that my email has now also auto-archived. You can see the email subject line is exactly the same. So that has automatically archived into the system because of the settings that I have selected. So let me show you the settings here. So if we select the right hand cog on the bottom right hand screen, if I go to general options, and I have here, so auto archiving of outbound and auto archiving of inbound emails. I have both of these checked as yes. So that means any emails that I send out of my Outlook or receive back into my Outlook, they will automatically be archived into our Sugar instance. One more cool thing that I would like to show you is if I go back, I'm then going to see my contact once again. If I have just had a quick phone call, I can create the phone call here in my SugarConnect panel. That will go off and create it into our CRM as well. But not only that, I can navigate my account within our Sugar instance from my Outlook as well. So you can see here, this is an overview of the account, just like it is in the business card view. If I scroll down, I can see the calls, meetings, and all of the history relating to the account within my Outlook. I think that's pretty cool. So that's just a very quick overview of how you can create a contact and archive your emails into the system very quickly. Thanks ever so much.